Selena, Class 10, Chapter 10, Arithmetic Progression. Sum number 8. Find the sum of all natural numbers between 250 and 1000 which are divisible by 9. AP equal to 252 plus 9, 261 and so on till 999. First term A equal to 252. Common difference D equal to 9. Last term L equal to 999. To find numbers of terms, we will write the formula L equal to A plus n minus 1 D. Substitute the value 999 equal to 252 plus n minus 1 into 9. 999 minus 252 is 747. N minus 1 into 9 equal to 747. Divide by 9 on both the sides. N minus 1 equal to 83. N equal to 84. S equal to n upon 2 into A plus L. S equal to n is 84 upon 2. A is 252, L is 999. 252 plus 999 is 1251 into 42. Sum equal to 52,542. Sum number 9. The first and the last term of an AP are 34 and 700 respectively. If the common difference is 18, how many terms are there and what is their term? Let there be n terms in the AP. First term A equal to 34, common difference D equal to 18, last term L equal to 700. Write the formula L equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Substitute the values L 700 plus A 34 plus n minus 1 D 18. 700 minus 34 666. N minus 1 into 18 equal to 666. Divide by 18 on both the sides. N minus 1 equal to 37. N equal to 38. Sn equal to n upon 2 into A plus L. Substitute the value N 38, A 34, L 700. 700 plus 34 734. 38 upon 2 19. 19 into 734 equal to 13,946. Sum equal to 13,946. Sum number 10. In an AP, first term is 25, n term is minus 17 and the sum of n terms is 132. Find n and common difference. First term A equal to 25, nth term minus 17. It means last term L equal to minus 17. Sum of n terms equal to 132. Write the formula S equal to n upon 2 into A plus L. Substitute the value n, A is 25, L is minus 17 equal to 132 into 2, 264. 25 minus 17, 8. 8 n equal to 264. N equal to numbers of terms equal to 33. To find D, write the formula L equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Substitute the value minus 17 equal to 25 plus 32 into D. Minus 17 minus 25 is minus 42. 32D equal to minus 42. D equal to minus 42 upon 32. Divide by 2 equal to minus 21 upon 16. Sum number 11. If the 8th term of an AP is 37 and 15th term is 15 more than the 12th term, find the AP. Also find the sum of first 20 term of the AP. For an AP, 8th term means T of 8 equal to 37 means A plus 7D equal to 37. Let that be equation 1. 15th term T15 is T15 minus T12 equal to 15. 15 is more. Write the A plus 14D minus A plus 11D equal to 15. Open the bracket. A plus 14 minus A minus 11D equal to 15. A get cancelled. 14 minus 11, 3D equal to 15. D equal to 5. Substitute D equal to 5 in equation 1. We get A plus 7 into 5 equal to 37. 7 5s are 35. A plus 35 equal to 37. Means A equal to 2. Required AP equal to A plus D, A plus 2D equal to A 2, D 5. So 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 5, 12 and so on. Sum of first 20 terms equal to, write the formula, n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute the value. N is 20 upon 2, 10. 2a, 2 into 2 plus 19 into 5 equal to 99. 99 into 10, 990. Sum of 20 terms equal to 990. Sum number 12. Find the sum of all multiples of 7 lying between 300 and 700. AP first multiple of 7 is 301 plus 7 308 till the last between 700. So last term will be 693. First term A equal to 301, common difference D equal to 7, last term L equal to 693. Write the formula. L equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. L is 693 equal to A is 301 plus n minus 1 into 7. 693 minus 301 is 392. N minus 1 into 7 equal to 392. Divide by 7 on both the sides. N minus 1 equal to 56. N equal to 57. Numbers of terms divisible by 7 are 57. Sn equal to n upon 2 into A plus L. Substitute the value. N 57 upon 2, A 301, L 693. 301 plus 693 is 994 into 57 upon 2 equal to 57 into 497. S of n equal to 28,329. Sum number 13. Find the sum of n natural numbers is 5n square plus 4n. Find its 8th term. Sn equal to 5n square plus 4n. Sn minus 1, n minus 1 term, wherever n, substitute n minus 1 equal to 5 into n minus 1 square plus 4 into n minus 1 equal to, open the bracket, 5 into n square minus 2n plus 1 plus 4n minus 4 equal to 5n square minus 10n plus 5 plus 4n minus 4 equal to 5n square minus 6n plus 1. S of n minus 1 equal to 5n square minus 6n plus 1. Nth term equal to S of n minus S of n minus 1 equal to 5n square plus 4n minus 5n square plus 6n minus 1 equal to 10 of n, 10 into n minus 1. 8th term equal to T of 8 equal to 10 into 8 minus 1. 80 minus 1, 79. 8th term equal to 79. Sum number 14. The 4th term of an AP is 11 and 8th term exceeds twice the 4th term by 5. Find the AP and the sum of the first 50 terms. For an AP, 4th term means T of 4 equal to 11 means A plus 3D equal to 11. Let that be equation 1. Now, eighth term means T of 8 exceeds twice the fourth term by 5. T of 8 minus 2 of T4 equal to 5. T of 8 is A plus 7D minus T of 4 is 11. So 2 into 11 equal to 5. A plus 7 minus 22 taken here plus 22. Plus 22 plus 5 plus 27. A plus 7D equal to 27. Let that be equation 2. Subtracting 1 from 2 we get 4D equal to 16. D equal to 4. Substituting D equal to 4 in equation 1 we get A into 3 in A plus 3 into 4 equal to 11. A plus 12 equal to 11. A equal to minus 1. Required AP equal to A plus D, A plus 2D, so on, equal to minus 1, 3, 7, 11 and so on. Sum of 50 terms. So S of 50 equal to n upon 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Substitute the value. N is 50 upon 2, 25. A is 2 into minus 1 minus 2. N minus 1, 49 into 4, which is 196. 196 minus 2 is 194 into 25. S of sum of 50 terms equal to 4850.